In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an expense category in QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward process that helps you keep your financial data organized and up to date. Whether you're running a small business or managing personal finances, categorizing your expenses correctly is crucial for accurate reporting and effective budgeting. So let's dive into the steps. First, we'll start by navigating to the QuickBooks Online website. Open your preferred web browser and simply type QuickBooks Online into your search engine. Click on the official QuickBooks website link and you'll be directed to their homepage. If you're not already signed in, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right of the page, and give it a click. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll need to log in using your QuickBooks account credentials. Enter your email address and password. Make sure everything is correct and then click the button to sign in. Logging in ensures that you have access to all the features and data specific to your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, look for the Sales option on the left-hand menu. Clicking on Sales will open a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, locate and click on Products and Services. This will take you to a section where you can manage various items within QuickBooks. Now, within the Products and Services area, you should see a button labeled More. Clicking on More reveals additional options related to product and service management. What you're looking for here is the Manage Categories option, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Manage Categories section, it's time to locate the specific category you want to edit. Find the category in question, and to the right of it, you should see an Edit option. Click Edit to open a new window where you can make changes to the category details. In this new window, you'll have the option to enter a new name for your expense category. Simply click into the text box, type the new name you want, and double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy in your records. Naming categories appropriately helps maintain a tidy and comprehensible account system. Finally, once you're satisfied with the new category name you've entered, the last step is to click the Save button. Clicking Save will apply your changes, and your newly named expense category will now appear in all relevant sections of your QuickBooks Online account. And that's it. You've successfully edited an expense category in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your financial data organized makes tracking and analyzing expenses a breeze. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore additional resources or contact QuickBooks support for help. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.